Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a review on the Ideal 1/4 inch 4-inch flathead screwdriver. Item number 35-154. There we go. So this one is a square shank. The finish is very nice. Right here, you got the grooves. I don't know if you can hear it. Now I already did it. I did a review on a Phillips head screwdriver that I was really kind of unhappy with. Because it wasn't magnetic. This one I'm gonna assume isn't magnetic as well. It is not magnetic. This one retails for about 12 bucks. (35-154) Ideal. The handle is nice on this one. I don't feel any of the air pockets or play when I squeeze it. I do have a little ding on the shank right there, but that's alright, I don't care. So we're going to go ahead and try and magnetize it. Just a couple of screws. And it is now magnetic. We have a competitor. Both about the same length. This one's rounded, this one's squared. And the Ideal is just a little bit wider. This one, brand new out the box, comes magnetic. And I've had these ones for several months now. And I bought it as a set with quite a few of them. And it came with its own magnetizer. So now we're going to go ahead and get a couple of outlets, receptacles. So that works fine. Fits nice. We're going to try it on a circuit breaker. We might need like a cabinet tip or something to fit in there. does fit in there. Any wider it wouldn't. We have a twin breaker, 30 amp, 2-pole. So that slot that fits pretty well. This brand right here is Murray's. The other one that I was working on is Eaton. Alright, that concludes my review. Let me compare it with my number two Phillips 4-inch, the same brand. You'll see there. So this shank is wider than this one. And that concludes my review. Very nice finish though. Almost mirror finish. I don't know if you can see that. My finger in the reflection. Alright everybody, thanks a lot. Have a nice day.